Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to link bank account to PayPal. So let's start. As you can see, I'm here on my principal page of PayPal. So if I want to add a bank account, let's go to payment and receive payments, and let's go to bank account and cards. So just click here and you will be transferred to this page, and now you can see that we have bank account and we have credit card or debit card. So if you want to add a bank account to your PayPal, just go to bank account, and then here you have to write your number or account. Just write it, and you can modify the account here. So you can modify it and then you can associate it. If the information is correct, you can start adding money from your bank account to your PayPal account. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.